Welcome to the Academic Success Center. We are also known as the ASC. Today, we're going to talk to you about the available services offered at the ASC and how to use them. We offer free support services, including tutoring, academic coaching, and success workshops for Augusta University students. It is pretty simple to use the ASC. Signing in is the first thing you need to do. You have the option to swipe in using your JAG card, or you can type in your student ID number. Once you sign in, select your option of choice. You can choose either course-based tutoring, study, or academic coaching. This is how tutoring works. Tutoring is available by drop-in and by appointment. You can view the tutoring schedule online at augusta.edu/academic success, or you can stop by the front desk to view the schedule. After you sign in, all you will need to do is select your subject of choice and your tutor of choice. Once you do that, you will go to the tutoring section and use the blue signs to find the subject that you're looking for. Another service we offer is academic coaching. Our academic coaches are trained individuals that can work with you one-on-one to assist you in studying smarter, managing your time more efficiently, and setting goals. On our website, there is a button that says Schedule an Appointment. You'll select that blue button, and the page will immediately redirect you to a login page. You will log in using your JAGnet credentials, then select the blue button that says Get Assistance. When it's time to meet with the academic coach, you'll need to check in for the appointment. You can check in using the kiosk system at the front desk of the Academic Success Center. To check in for appointment, you will need to click the green button after you log in with your JAGnet credentials. Before leaving the ASC, make sure you log in and select the red button to check out. At the ASC, we are driven by student success. We look forward to seeing you in the future.